When it comes to mobility solutions, iLiving is your #1 choice in foldable scooters. Mobility travel looks effortless with this machine. It's made to be a fun, easy experience. Yes, it's compact and lightweight. Yes, its versatility will allow it to go anywhere you want to go, like your favorite park or even rough terrain. But let's get into the details of the i3 and why I find it truly amazing. The i3 is a true four-wheel scooter, crafted from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's safe and stable. This scooter only weighs 53 pounds, but it has a weight capacity up to 300 pounds. It has a good range and is built with a roomy chassis, so you'll feel comfortable the entire ride. The obvious wow factor is its toolless folding capability, where you can easily fold down and transport in and out of your car. Now let's look at the steering and the dash. Not only does it have excellent turning capacity that handles well even in rough terrain, the dash itself features an advanced user interface elegantly placed to keep you informed of its status. The i3 uses a lithium battery, which is both powerful and extremely lightweight. It has a second compartment for a spare battery, allowing you to double your travel distance and get 14 miles on a single battery charge. We're also the first foldable scooter to equip the battery compartment switch, making it easier to switch power from battery 1 to battery 2. The i3 is so feature-rich for such a tiny device. There's a storage compartment on the floorboard, a USB port to charge your cell phone, and a durable cushioned seat for maximum comfort. The i3 also offers a convenient optional portable car charger, allowing you to charge on the go. Designed and engineered in the US, iLiving undergoes extensive factory testing to ensure each i3 scooter has long-lasting durability. It's truly state-of-the-art. Up your quality of life and reclaim the active and independent lifestyle you deserve. Just about anywhere you want to go, the i3 can travel with you on trains, planes, cars, coaches, and cruises. So now you don't have to sit around anymore, daydreaming of all the places you can go, because the i3 is ready to go with you in seconds.